Want to unlock the true speed of your new Lankeleisi electric bike? Here is the secret setting in under 60 seconds. Step 1. Turn on your display. Step 2. Press and hold the mode button for 2 seconds to enter the hidden settings. Step 3. Use the mode button to navigate to the 03P menu. The speed limit is at 25 km/h. Step 4. Change this value using the plus or the buttons to increase or decrease the max speed. Step 5. Press and hold the mode button again to save and exit. And boom! The beast is unleashed. Want to see how fast we really go? Go watch my full review of the MG600 Pro on my channel, and don't forget to subscribe.